An early glimpse of the future is happening now. Electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOLs, and other advanced air mobility vehicles from Joby, Archer, Beta, Wisk, and others are transitioning from prototypes into certified operational realities. So we just wrapped up a great visit with Archer. You know, Archer, a leading manufacturer in advanced air mobility, is working very hard to make sure they're participating full out in the eVTOL Integration Pilot Program, or what we call the EIPP. This allows us to figure out early if the tech works and use those lessons to propel us forward. At the FAA, our mission is safety. Our role is to help enable innovation responsibly and develop regulatory frameworks that are agile enough to accommodate emerging technologies while maintaining the world's safest and most complex aerospace system.